Cats are often perceived as silent observers, enigmatic creatures whose subtle body language and occasional vocalizations hint at complex inner worlds. Yet vocal communication is a cornerstone of feline behavior, conveying a range of messages that include emotional states, social intentions, needs, and warnings. Domestic cats utilize a rich repertoire of vocal signals, including meows, purrs, growls, hisses, yowls, trills, chirps, and chattering, each of which carries specific meanings that can vary depending on context, individual temperament, and interaction history. Understanding these vocalizations is essential for interpreting feline behavior, improving welfare, and fostering effective communication between humans and cats. The meow is arguably the most recognizable feline vocalization and is almost exclusively directed toward humans in domestic contexts. Unlike wild felids, which use vocalizations primarily for intercat communication, domestic cats appear to have adapted the meow as a tool for soliciting attention, requesting resources, or expressing dissatisfaction. Meows vary in pitch, duration, and intensity, and subtle differences can signal hunger, desire for interaction, distress, or greeting. For instance, a short, high-pitched meow may indicate a friendly greeting or mild attention-seeking, whereas a long, drawn-out meow might convey urgent needs or discomfort. Owners often become attuned to the unique dialects of their cats. Learning to distinguish subtle variations in tone that correspond to specific requests or emotional states. Purring is another complex vocalization with multifaceted functions. While often associated with contentment and relaxation, purring can also occur in contexts of pain, stress, or illness. Research suggests that purring serves both social and physiological functions. In kittens, purring facilitates bonding with the mother and littermates, signaling safety and well-being. In adult cats, purring may act as a calming mechanism, both for the cat itself and for conspecifics or humans in proximity. Intriguingly, the frequency range of purring, typically between 25 and 100 Hz, has been linked to tissue healing and reduced pain perception, suggesting that purring may confer both communicative and therapeutic benefits. Understanding the context of purring, combined with body language cues, is essential for interpreting whether the cat is relaxed, anxious, or unwell. Growls, hisses, and spits are generally considered defensive or aggressive vocalizations. These sounds are produced when a cat perceives threat, intruder presence, or conflict. Growling often accompanies posturing, such as arched backs, fluffed tails, and exposed claws, and serves as a warning signal to deter potential threats without physical confrontation. Hissing and spitting are more intense defensive signals, typically indicating immediate fear or readiness to attack if provoked. The acoustic characteristics of these vocalizations, harsh, low-frequency growls or sharp hisses, maximize the perceived threat and can elicit avoidance in other animals or humans. Observing these vocalizations, particularly in conjunction with body posture and context, allows caretakers to identify stress, fear, or social tension and intervene appropriately. Yowling and caterwauling represent long, drawn-out vocalizations often associated with mating behavior, territorial disputes, or social stress. Unneutered cats, particularly males and females in estrus, produce yowls to attract mates or repel rivals, and the intensity and frequency of these sounds can increase during reproductive seasons. In multi-cat households, yowling may signal conflict or heightened arousal, with cats attempting to assert dominance, communicate discomfort, or negotiate social hierarchies. Extended or persistent yowling in neutered or spayed cats may indicate pain, disorientation, or environmental stress, necessitating careful observation and, if necessary, veterinary evaluation. Trills, chirps, and chattering vocalizations are generally associated with play, hunting, or social solicitation. Chirping or chattering is often observed when a cat watches birds or small prey from a distance, reflecting excitement, predatory motivation, or frustration at the inability to reach the target. Trills, soft rolling sounds. are commonly used to gain the attention of humans or other cats, conveying friendliness, invitation, or reassurance. These vocalizations are typically produced at a higher frequency than meows or growls, with rhythmic and repetitive patterns that attract attention and facilitate social interaction. Recognizing these signals enables caretakers to respond appropriately, providing engagement, play opportunities, or reassurance as needed. Environmental factors significantly influence vocal behavior. Cats adapt their vocalizations to the presence of humans, other animals, ambient noise, and social circumstances. In urban apartments, domestic cats often exhibit heightened vocal activity due to confinement. Reduced stimulation, or limited opportunities for natural hunting behaviors. Noisy environments may prompt louder or more frequent vocalizations, while isolated or understimulated cats may produce repetitive meows or trills to solicit interaction. Changes in routine, relocation, or introduction of new pets can trigger temporary or persistent vocal behavior as cats attempt to re-establish familiarity and security within their environment. Age and developmental stage also shape vocal patterns. Kittens vocalize extensively to communicate hunger, distress, or social needs to their mother and littermates. These early vocalizations form the foundation for later social signaling, with individual vocal signatures persisting into adulthood. Senior cats may exhibit increased vocal activity due to cognitive decline, sensory loss, or medical conditions, such as hyperthyroidism, kidney disease, or hypertension, which can heighten anxiety or disorientation. Understanding these age-related patterns is essential for distinguishing normal developmental or physiological vocalizations from those indicative of stress or illness. Social interaction is a primary context for cat vocalizations. Domestic cats employ vocal signals to negotiate relationships with humans and other cats, express affection, and establish boundaries. Some cats use meowing and trilling to initiate play or solicit grooming, while growls or hisses maintain social distance or prevent unwanted contact. Vocalizations facilitate bonding, coordination, and cooperation, particularly in multi-cat households where territorial, hierarchical, and affiliative relationships coexist. Human responses, whether attention, verbal communication, or physical interaction, further shape vocal behavior through feedback and reinforcement. Medical considerations are central to interpreting vocal communication. Persistent, unusual, or escalating vocalizations may indicate pain, discomfort, or illness. Cats in pain often produce plaintive, repetitive meows or yowls, particularly when moving or being handled. Gastrointestinal distress, urinary issues, respiratory conditions, and musculoskeletal pain can manifest primarily through vocal signals. Making careful observation essential for early detection and intervention. Veterinary evaluation, combined with behavioral observation, ensures that medical causes are not overlooked in the management of vocal behaviors. Vocal communication is highly individualistic, with each cat possessing unique patterns, pitch, and preferences. Factors such as breed, temperament, social history, and human interaction influence vocal style, frequency, and context. Some breeds, such as Siamese and Oriental cats, are noted for their high vocal activity and complex repertoires, while others are more reticent. Individual experience, reinforcement by caretakers, and environmental conditions further shape the expression and function of vocalizations, resulting in distinctive vocal personalities that owners learn to interpret over time. Human-cat interaction profoundly affects the development and modulation of vocal behavior. Cats quickly learn which sounds elicit desired responses from their human companions, using meows, trills, or chirps strategically to obtain food, attention, or play. Conversely, negative reinforcement, punishment, or inconsistent responses can create confusion, increase anxiety, or exacerbate problematic vocalizations. Positive, consistent, and context-sensitive human responses reinforce communication pathways and enhance the cat-human bond, demonstrating the bidirectional nature of vocal interaction. Stress, fear, and environmental instability significantly influence vocal communication. Cats experiencing high levels of stress, territorial threats, or social conflict may increase vocal output as a coping mechanism, signaling distress or attempting to assert control over uncertain situations. Chronic stress can lead to abnormal vocal patterns, such as excessive meowing, persistent yowling, or repetitive trilling, which may signal the need for environmental enrichment, social management, or behavioral intervention. Safe spaces, predictable routines, and enrichment strategies support vocal and overall behavioral health. In wild and feral contexts, vocalizations serve both territorial and social purposes. Domestic cats retain these ancestral functions, using vocal signals to convey presence, establish boundaries, attract mates, and coordinate social interactions. Observing these behaviors in domestic settings provides insight into evolutionary continuity, revealing the persistence of communication strategies adapted to modern household environments. Vocalizations interact with other signaling modalities, including body posture, scent marking, and facial expressions, creating a complex, multimodal system of feline communication. Learning and experience play a central role in shaping feline vocal behavior over the course of a cat's life. Vocal communication in domestic cats is not a fixed or purely instinctive system, rather, it is dynamic, plastic, and strongly influenced by social context and reinforcement. Cats that grow up in environments where vocal signals are consistently acknowledged, whether by humans or by other cats, tend to develop a broader and more differentiated vocal repertoire. Through repeated interactions, they learn that specific sounds can reliably produce predictable outcomes, such as the delivery of food, access to desired spaces, physical affection, or social engagement. This process reflects basic principles of associative learning, in which vocalizations become functional tools rather than mere expressions of internal states. Cats exposed to attentive humans often refine their meows in ways that appear specifically adapted to human perception. Research and observational studies suggest that many adult cats primarily reserve meowing for communication with humans rather than with conspecifics, indicating that this vocal behavior is, to a significant extent, socially learned. Over time, cats may adjust pitch, duration, intensity, and timing of their vocalizations based on human responsiveness. For example, a cat that receives immediate attention when emitting a high-pitched or urgent-sounding meow may increasingly favor that acoustic pattern. This adaptive modulation demonstrates cognitive flexibility and an ability to exploit social feedback, reinforcing the idea that feline vocal behavior is shaped by experience rather than driven solely by biological programming. In contrast, cats living in non-responsive or unpredictable environments often show reduced vocal output. When vocal signals consistently fail to elicit a response, cats may gradually abandon them as inefficient strategies. Instead, they may rely more heavily on alternative forms of communication, such as physical contact, persistent rubbing against legs or furniture, following behavior, or direct manipulation of objects associated with resources, such as food bowls or doors. These shifts highlight the adaptive flexibility of feline communication, revealing that cats are capable of selecting communication strategies based on perceived effectiveness rather than rigid instinctual patterns. Vocal silence in such cases should not be interpreted as emotional detachment or cognitive limitation, but rather as a rational behavioral adjustment to environmental contingencies. Early socialization is particularly influential in determining the complexity and frequency of vocal communication later in life. Kittens that experience regular, positive interactions with humans during sensitive developmental periods tend to be more vocal, more confident in expressing needs, and more responsive to vocal cues from caregivers. Exposure to varied auditory stimuli, including human speech, household sounds, and the vocalizations of other animals, further enhances auditory discrimination and vocal competence. These early experiences appear to contribute to the development of nuanced communication strategies that persist into adulthood, facilitating more effective interaction across different contexts and social partners. human interaction continues to shape vocal behavior throughout a cat's life. Changes in household structure, caregiving routines, or emotional climate can lead to noticeable alterations in vocal patterns. For instance, cats may increase vocalization in response to loneliness, stress, or uncertainty, particularly when previous vocal signals have successfully attracted attention or reassurance. Conversely, excessive or inconsistent reinforcement of vocal behavior may inadvertently contribute to problem vocalization, such as persistent nighttime calling or demand meowing. These patterns underscore the bidirectional nature of cat-human communication, in which both parties continuously influence one another's behavior. Cat vocal communication, when examined as a whole, represents a sophisticated and context-dependent system that conveys emotional states, social intentions, physiological needs, and environmental information. Meows, purrs, growls, hisses, yowls, trills, and chirps each occupy distinct functional niches, yet their meanings are not fixed in isolation. Instead, they are shaped by situational context, individual temperament, social history, environmental conditions, and the nature of prior interactions with humans or other animals. A meow may signal hunger in one context, frustration in another, or a simple request for interaction in a third. Similarly, purring, often associated with contentment, may also occur during stress or discomfort, reflecting its multifunctional and possibly self-regulatory role. Effective interpretation of feline vocalizations therefore requires attention to multiple layers of information. Acoustic features such as pitch, rhythm, intensity, and repetition must be considered alongside body posture, tail movement, ear position, facial expression, and the immediate environment. Developmental stage is equally important, as kittens, adults, and elderly cats may use similar sounds for different purposes or with different intensities. Situational factors, including time of day, recent events, and changes in routine, further influence the meaning and urgency of vocal signals. Without this holistic approach, vocalizations may be misinterpreted, leading to inappropriate responses that can undermine welfare or exacerbate behavioral issues. Vocalizations in cats are neither random nor meaningless. They are adaptive tools shaped by evolution, learning, and social interaction, serving functions related to negotiation, expression, and survival. Through vocal communication, cats regulate social distance, solicit care, express discomfort, and navigate complex relationships with humans and other animals. Recognizing this communicative intent allows caretakers to respond more accurately to feline needs, reducing frustration on both sides and promoting emotional stability. Appropriate responses can reinforce desirable behaviors, alleviate distress, and prevent escalation into more severe behavioral problems. Understanding feline vocal communication also has significant implications for animal welfare. Changes in vocal patterns, such as sudden increases in frequency, intensity, or timing, may signal underlying stress, pain, cognitive decline, or environmental dissatisfaction. Attentive observation of these changes enables early intervention, whether through environmental enrichment, medical evaluation, or adjustments in human interaction. In this sense, vocal behavior functions as an accessible indicator of internal states that might otherwise remain hidden. By observing, interpreting, and engaging thoughtfully with feline vocal communication, humans gain access to a subtle yet highly informative language. This language offers insight into emotion, cognition, social organization, and the evolving dynamics of the cat-human relationship. Vocal communication thus serves as both a window into the inner lives of domestic cats and a bridge for meaningful connection. Through consistent, sensitive, and informed interaction, humans can foster healthy vocal expression, support emotional well-being, and strengthen the mutual understanding that underpins successful companionship. In doing so, vocal communication becomes not merely a soundscape of daily life but a central component of interspecies dialogue, reflecting the remarkable adaptability and social intelligence of the domestic cat.